Keep it up. This. Thank you so much, Alejandro.
Yeah! Woo!
Jacob, thank you, Jacob. The Regal gift card, right? Yes. I love Regal later. I'll organize it later. I'm sorry if I put it in the book.
Ready, baby?
Yes. No, not yet. Maybe this one first. I don't know. I'll first. Shikela. Oh, thank you, Shikela. I think she didn't came, but who gave this letter to me? Oh, you right, Sarah?
Shikela, right?
But someone gives Shikela gave it. Oh, Shikela gave it the letter. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Oh, my high school friend John, this is your. We didn't know since high school, right? Since high school. Strangers.